Hey loves, hey, it's me, your girl, Catherine Gage, also Cajun Beauty Within. Tonight I'm here with Cajun Beauty Within Bling Accessories. I just got my box in with Paparazzi and I wanted to open it with you all. This is another adventure that I'm doing with 2 streams of income, and I am just super excited. I'm gonna open my box and let you see what I have, okay? The first thing is it came in a very nice, beautiful box that said Paparazzi. It's very beautiful. They sent me some brochures. This is the Fashion Fix pieces. They sent me some brochures about that. That's a special promotion they have each month for different things. It says feature $5 habit, and then it gives you different things about the company. So that's a brochure. I also have brochures that tells you about some of the pieces, so some educational things that's in here. So these are things that I will be learning more about. It also gave us some cards saying welcome to the party in English and Spanish. Has a nice paper wrap, Paparazzi paper wrap. That's very pretty. And I'm gonna open the box first, but I also got some plus pieces for signing up during the Black Friday. During the Black Friday holiday, I got extra pieces. So the first thing I have is this beautiful big box that I probably won't be able to pick up. But it's a great big box here. A great big box. I'm gonna open that up. Let's see how to open that up here. Let's see, it's quite big. Okay. Okay, so it has a big box here. Get rid of the box. I'm gonna probably keep this for some of my things, but it was in this nice big box, very pretty. Has Paparazzi on there. Very, very pretty. And then there's another box that's inside here that I need to open up. That's probably have some jewelry inside, I believe. Okay, and it's pink. Everybody know I love pink. It's pink. Open that up here. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, okay. I have some. They gave me some bags. Gave me some bags, which I was thinking I was gonna have to order. Now I don't have to. It also gives you a case to, like, if you have to repair things, so it has a repair kit in here. And it gave me a bus. I already have purchased one, so now I have a couple of buses. That's really nice. Then I got some Paparazzi cards. I got some thank you cards. Then I have some things about the different things about the company is in here. So this is all literature here. This is all literature. Different things about the company. And these are some cards. And here's some things about the party. And these look like, let's see, I don't know what these are. I don't even want to, don't start me telling no story. I don't know what these are. Oh, okay. These are receipts. Okay, so this is a book of receipts, which is very important. They got a welcome letter in here. Paparazzi independent consultant. And they got a checklist. Looks like this could be, this is a welcome package here. Probably instructions. It's real nice. I love it. I love this. It's a big, thick book. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It gives you instructions about the company. So it's like a welcome packet. So give you a great big welcome packet. That is so beautiful. I love that. Put that to the side. You got a let me get that right. Get this up. We got a scheduler. That's real nice. So I can't think of the word of it, y'all. So y'all just roll with it. Some more packaging. And let me see what is in this here. Oh, they even gave you some hooks. Some hooks where you can, hook your jewelry on. Which that's nice. That is so nice. And then I have all my pieces. Okay. Let me see what I have here. We'll be coming back at a later time to display them. I'm thinking that I will probably do this on Tuesdays. So let me see if I can get in it. They got it really nicely packaged. It is really nice packaged. Okay. And this is the $99 kit here. Oh, so these are beautiful. Those are beautiful. Some earrings. Oh my goodness. They are so pretty. They are so pretty. Beautiful earrings. Okay. This is necklaces. That's necklaces. Some more necklaces. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. And these are, I believe, some rings. And all the products are lead and nickel free. And all of the rings come with a stretch band. so they fit, one size fits all. It has a stretch band, has a nice stretch band. Let me see here. But that is it. So that's my unboxing, and I just want to say thank you all for tuning in. I will be back with more in detail of giving you more of the displays of what we have for jewelry. This is Catherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, bringing you KG Beauty Within Bling Accessories. You all have a wonderful night, and bye-bye.